How to clear your search history on Pinterest. Today in this video I will show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method, so please follow up with me. Now first, make sure you have your Pinterest app updated and then open it. Once you do, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Of course, it will take you to your profile. Once you are taken to your profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen right here. Once you tap there, a small menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. Tap on settings. Of course, it will take you to your settings. Once you are taken there, open the privacy and data category. So all you need to do is to tap on privacy and data. Once you tap there, it will take you here. A lot of options, of course. You need to choose the clear app cache option right in the bottom of the screen. You'll tap on it, and just like that, the history or the search history of the app will be cleared. And that's it for this video. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.